Hello, hello guys. So today I'm gonna show you how to download STS Spring Tool Suite. So to download the STS, first to visit the link given in the description below. So just copy that and paste it over here, and just click on enter, and you will see the download has been started. So for me, I already have downloaded it. After this, you just need to extract that, and yeah, it will look like this. I already have extracted this. So here how it looks, and yeah, this is a exe file where you just have to open it, and you will see a default workspace which I already have been working on. Yeah, you just need to launch it, or else you can create your own workspace just by browsing. Under your workspace you can have multiple projects. Yeah, it is not an installation. This is not an installation part. Actually, this is an so you need to wait until it gets started. Yeah, you can see I already have projects over here. This my projects, various project under the same work. And yes, so this was easy. And if you want to create a project, you can go over here, new, and Spring Starter project. Click on this. You will see this pop-up where you can create your project with a you can create a Maven project or Gradle. I prefer Maven. Packaging jar or war. I prefer jar, and you can choose the Java version. As of now 16 is the current version, so for now default I am using 11. This is the default Java version. Here you can write your project or group name, whatever you want. I'm writing my name, and here is your artifact name. Basically it will be same as your project name. And yeah, you can create, you can click on next and the project will be created. Or else I prefer to create a project just by going to the site startspring.io, and from here also you can create the project. You can see the same thing over here also. The same thing is here, and also the same thing is here also. This is the best thing where you can create a project according to me. Here is the same thing. You can just give a name, a group name, and your project name. Just like you can create a project name like web app. This is a project name, and you can choose the Java version and packaging, and also you can add dependencies like Spring Boot, DevTools, Lombok, Spring Web. This is the main thing, Spring Web, and one more you can add like Thymeleaf. This template or framework you can add. You can add these dependencies, and after, yeah, there are many more dependencies like Spring Security, JPA. You can add this both also from here, and you just need to click on generate. This will automatically generate your project file, and after it gets generated you just need to extract it basically where your workspace is. Extract this folder under your workspace. You can see over here my workspace is under documents, and yeah, my multiple other projects like vendor test, service connect, PDF. These are all my projects which you can view here, see here basically. Yeah, so you just need to extract it, select this folder, and yes, this will get extracted over there. And yeah, you can see this is a web app, this is my project folder. And after, you just need to import that project just by clicking on file, import, and type Maven. As this is my Maven project, type Maven over here under the select and import wizard, and you can see the Maven with multiple more options, under which my project is a Maven project, means it is an existing project. So you click on that and browse to that folder. Actually it is not visible, there's some issue with this, so import. Okay, let me see under the documents, Spring Tool Suite 4 web app. Yeah, it is over here, and existing Maven project, Maven documents, Spring Tool 4. It's not showing. There's some issue with this. Yeah, it is over here, sorry. You can see yeah, there's an issue. So you can see my project, and just click on the folder and just select this folder. You can see the pom.xml file. This is the main thing, and just click on finish. You will see over here importing Maven projects down there, and see this project is being imported. Actually it is a blank project, you need to implement some workings. You just need to wait until this project is being imported. Yes, so in a single workspace you can have multiple projects under a single workspace. Yes, so basically STS is a good thing, good tool for Spring Boot projects. It will take some time to import your project. So yes, my project is being ported successfully. So to just test run this project, you need to create an HTML file under this resource folder, source main resource, and source main Java. What's the difference between both these two, source main Java and resource? Basically what it does is, like, under this Java folder you need to add all your Java files, and under this resource folder you need to add all your static or template files. Basically what static includes is your JavaScript, CSS, images, all that file should be added under this folder, static folder. And under this template folder you need to just add all your HTML files. So for me to just check whether this project is running or not, you just need to create a new file, just a new HTML file. To create that, just right click on template, new, and file. Click on this file. This pop-up will be opened, and just type index.html, or else you can search it from here also. HTML trade will not show. So yeah, okay, once again you need to create it. Actually I have deleted that file, and index.html, finish, and a new index.html file will be created. Under this you just need to write some basic HTML tags. Welcome. Save this. This is for testing purpose. Save this, and to run this project you just need to right click on the project name, web app, click on run, or go to run as, and run as Spring Boot app. Click on this, and yeah, you can see down over here this project will, okay, so there is some issue. Proceed. So there is some issue with my project. Yeah, web application basically is a common thing. Web application. So there is some common issue. Let's run it once again. Existing. This is the basic thing. I guess I need to rename this. Oh, there is an issue under this pom.xml. So here is the issue where you can see that this part has an issue. Says I was encountered some issue over here under the pom.xml where this project wasn't able to run. So to resolve it, just right click on this web app on your project name and just go to Maven and update your project, and click on offline force update of snapshot releases, and click on OK, and you will say updating Maven projects down there. Wait for the project to be updated, and yeah, now you can run your project and see. Just click on run as, right click on your project, click on run as, and click on Spring Boot app. Yeah, you can see the message down here. Yeah, you can see started web application. This message shows that web application is successfully started. And to just see, go to localhost, go to a web browser, type localhost colon 8080, click enter. You will see this message welcome, which we have created it over here, this HTML index file. So basically our web browser web app is successfully working. Yeah, this is how you can set up your STS and just write include a basic HTML page and run your project.